Christmas is a season which gets even special when you give your loved ones something. On today's episode, I am going to show you all how to make cute greeting cards which you all can sit along with your small kids or even if you are alone. Because for me, the very thought of giving someone handmade Christmas card is a very special feeling. The person whom you give this card to feels special. Unlike nowadays, it's become all the virtual world, virtual greeting cards. So this episode is something that you all can enjoy with your kids, sitting and making greeting cards for your loved ones. Before I proceed into showing you how to make these Christmas cards, I would like to give a reminder for those who are first time visitors to my channel. It's a request to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you all do not miss out on any updates that I post on my channel. Here I have taken a light brown color. You all can take any color which you all desire and then fold it in the middle from the sides in this way. I've opened it exactly on the middle fold, and from the sides I am making quarter folds. I'll do the same on the other side. So this card basically will be a center opening card, unlike other cards where you open from side to side. Now for this card I have planned to make a Christmas tree on the center, and that will be the opening center of this card. Here I am just going to mark the place where I need to cut out as per the main card size. Once I fold the paper nicely, I'll just take a paper knife and remove the excess of. Children, please take an adult help to do this. Now again, this paper I'll be folding it into half in this way. Now measuring the length according to the main card sheet, I will just do the marking of the required size. Again, I will fold this portion and remove it off as this is too long. Thereafter, maintaining the fold, you will draw the outline of the Christmas tree, and then you will cut out only the outer portion, not the center part of the tree. Let's do the cutting of the tree. And this is the shape that I have. Now the markings that you have of the tree, you can rub it off with a rubber and then just stick the tree at whatever length you all require. For the tree sticking, I will be using simple glue, and you'll have to take note that you'll stick it exactly on the central opening, marking the center side of the tree that you'll have. See that it is stuck properly, and leave it to dry. There. Now to add a little more detail to the tree, I will be doing an outline. So I'll be using glitter pen here. You all can even use markers or glitter glue, whatever you all feel would look nice on your Christmas tree. And then we'll just start making small tiny dots on the tree to show that this tree is decorated with tiny cute Christmas balls. Now you all can use any kind of designs to make your Christmas tree look special on the card. Thereafter, for the bottom portion of the tree, I will be coloring it in dark brown color. So if you all have a felt pen, it would be good. If not, you all can make use of crayon or even color pencils. So here, because of the color on the camera, it's looking a little black. Once I'm done with the tree, I will go ahead with making the star. Here I'm drawing an outline of the star with a black glitter pen, that is to highlight it, and then I will color it inside with golden color. For the decor around the Christmas tree, I'm using party popper kind of design, so you all can do the same or you all can make something else. And now folding it on the center of the Christmas tree, I am going to give it a slit on the stuck side, the glue side. That's where my card will open up, and this is how your card will open. Now inside you can write any wordings or just Merry Christmas, and to make the edges look neat, you all can fold it inwards. And here, ensure that you'll fold the corners very nicely so that it will not open up easily without the person opening. Inside the card, y'all can draw any designs. Here I'm making stars, and finally this is how it looks. Now this is a normal version. Along with me I have my little one enjoying and giving me company. Here she's drawn a bell on the Christmas card. She's making tiny Christmas cards, and this is her design. You can do any design. I have also made the one where you have the Christmas ball, decorating it outside and opening the card. These are tiny cute Christmas cards that y'all can give, which people can hang on their Christmas tree as well. Wasn't that a very simple yet a cute way of making Christmas cards for your loved ones? Do let me know in the comment section how did you all like this episode. For those of y'all who have any suggestions or requests, do feel free to get in touch with me through my social media sites, or y'all can even leave me a comment out here. If not, y'all can even send me an email. That's all on this episode. I'll see you next time with another new hack on how hacks.